Keep your hand on my back, stay close, of course.
Not a movie kind of moment, just there without me noticing.
We are in.
Arguineguín.
I'll take your word for that. There's no way I can say that.
We think that's how you say it.
We've just got here on the bus, haven't we, love?
Yeah.
And we've got off the bus and we've just seen this park for. Well, we've got to let Riley have 5 minutes on a park. We've got to. I'm not going to film park because there's other kids on it. So, see you shortly, guys. Whee!
Are you having a good time? Where are you going? What, listen? Can you hear it?
Yeah, apparently, Yvonne, this is the local town. What do you call it?
Traditional Spanish town.
Yeah, traditional Spanish town. So we thought we'd fetch you guys just to have a look, didn't we?
Yeah.
We've never been before. We're finding it a bit tricky getting about, aren't we?
Well, the buses are back. Yeah, what it is,
We've never been before, so it's not like Lanzarote where we're familiar with everything.
No.
Cyprus was easy.
Yeah, even though.
It's just a little bit more complicated here to find us way about, innit?
We keep making a few mistakes.
Yeah, so we'll turn you around now, guys, and we'll show you what we see.
I watch the sunrise over downtown, turning me into a towel. I get a call from pretty baby, says I'm still what she thinks.
Oh, I can't set cow.
Of steam, I get a call from my baby. Don't talk like you're defeated. It's not I wanna lose control.
What are you saying about Grandad?
Yeah, that doggy what wanted to say hello, Grandad. I think it was a puppy.
Right.
And it wanted to say hello.
Hold me and I'll hold the line.
Oh.
Oh, look, what's down there? Let's have a look then.
Our first view.
Oh, okay. Oh, let me show you all these boats. Oh, look at this car.
That we wanted in a sun-soaked magazine. It's not I wanna let you go. It's I can't stand thinking you're all alone. Hold me and I'll hold the line. Baby, if you love me, hold me and I'll hold the line. 'Cause when you say it, I mean it. Say it once and I'm yours. Keep your hand on my back, stay close, of course. Don't you ever turn me to a gas. Don't you ever, don't you
The flag. Oh, trust Nana not get it. Nana didn't get the flag. Say that again. Yeah, cactus. clever girl, it's your turn. You're good at this game, you aren't you? So what do you think so far?
Yeah. Got this restaurant.
Say it once and I'm yours. Keep your hand on my back. Keep your hand on my back.
Prices seem quite reasonable there.
It was an Italian, weren't it? Pizza
Yeah.
and pasta. Is that the water? No, what's that? Passport and ferry. This is quite nice, isn't it? No.
Yeah.
Up there. Right, if you look right at the top of that hill, what can you see? Do we go down here? Where do we go?
Well, there's two ways. I don't know whether that's a ramp.
That's it, she's down there, the ramp.
Yeah, that's all a ramp.
Right, so do I go down that?
It's whichever's you're more comfortable
Right, let's
with.
go down ramp, honey.
Yeah, guys. If you come to the top of the hill, there is steps down as well as a ramp. The ramp is a little bit steep, so you still need assistance, but there is a ramp.
Yeah. You want to go now? Look at that. Them trees. Guess what's it made out of? What can you see? No, what can you see there? Volcanic.
Should we see if there's any fish?
Don't go and see if there's any fish. Well, we haven't
Oh,
got
look, there's
have
fish.
Wanna have a look at these fish, Grandad said there's fish. Oh, look there. See them all swimming.
This looks a nice hotel, you know.
Yeah, it does.
Oh,
That one looks nicer.
yeah. Yeah, that one does look. I think it's the same hotel, though, isn't
I
it?
don't think that's hotels.
Don't you think so?
No. They've got shutters on.
Oh, right.
Yeah. You've been on a bus. Are you going to tell Mummy about that bus?
Welcome to
How it kept
paradise.
putting Nanny here fell off the seat. Oh, careful.
Hello.
Are you waving? Hello.
I don't quite know what to say, guys. It's lovely.
It's a nice, quite. Would you say it's a little village? Quaint little village. But you don't look that little,
It's not that busy. It's small.
yeah,
I don't know whether it gets busier down there.
more hotels. What is Grandad is? I want to see if we can see the sea. I might be a bit too little.
But I'm loving the ride. Can't you feel this is real? You and me, nothing in our way. Baby, we were born to run. Take the back road, let's make a great escape. 'Cause This life moves fast and we can't stop time. So put your hand in mine. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past. Deal with it another day. All we got is this open.
You get some beautiful views where we are. We still can't pronounce the name very well, but we're trying our best. And I'll turn you around. We are going to walk along the seafront, and it looks like there's a beautiful blue bridge near the harbour. And we're going to try and walk across it and see what it's like. But look at the views. There's some beautiful scenery. Somebody out fishing. I hope they catch something good. But this is around the corner. There's a nice beach. And I think there's some hotels, but there's some different coloured houses right over there. What you can see. I've got to admit, we're getting some beautiful weather. It's in the 30s, and at the weekend it's going up to in the 40s. I just hope that we can manage. And here's the other two. Can you see them there? Little Roo and Carl. Look at that, granddad and granddaughter. What have you seen? Another boat? Glassbottom Ferry. Plenty of places to go in Gran Canaria. That's what we're finding. Look at that water. So peaceful.
There is a market here on a Saturday, but it's very big.
Is it?
Yeah, apparently.
All right.
So you might have put not a Saturday, sorry. When do we fly out? Tuesday?
Tuesday.
It's on a Tuesday.
Right. But no, there's all sorts. Some beautiful. Good job of paying attention then. I didn't see there were a big gap with steps. You can hear the birds in the trees, and yes, we're having a really good time.
All the markets runs all along the front.
All right.
All along to the harbour.
We'll show you all. Did you hear Carl what he said about the market runs all the way to the harbour? That is long, isn't it? Carl, that is quite a long market, isn't it? We're just going round to the little girl's room, having a pit stop, aren't we, Carl?
Yeah.
I don't know what that bug was then, what just went right past me, nearly hit me. We're seeing quite a lot of wildlife. Well, I think that's what we should call it. We get to hold the pits near where we're staying. As you know, we've just seen them 2 lizards. I'd love to see the parrots, because I think that's what Gran Canaria is about, the parrots. pop it on board. So cute. Riley, did we have a good time on the bus? Did you like it? Shoved it. So we did taxis yesterday, we've done buses today. I wonder what else there is. Taxi? Okay.
I was halfway through a sentence when the thought of you just settled in. Not a movie kind of moment, just there without me noticing. 'Cause I memorized your edges, yeah, you're running through my veins. We keep finding new beginnings, but it always starts the same. Another goodbye, another sunrise, and I close my eyes to her side by side, dancing in the sun showers, standing tall where wildflowers.
She is, she's beauty for me, saying hello. You being shy? Oh, thank you. You are, sweetheart. Oh, is this a little town centre? Oh, quick,
Don't think they are.
quick. Step up.
We're going the wrong way.
Yeah, let's go to... Right, we're going to go over at Blue Bridge now. Yeah? Are you waving? Everybody likes you, don't they? It's all the ladies waving to you. I honestly, I need got Specsavers. I honestly thought it was a bridge you have to go for.
It does look like a bridge.
You look... What did you say, love?
I said it does look like a bridge.
It does, doesn't it, from a distance? So what's up there, Carl? Is it a little square or something?
I don't know.
I can't believe I thought that was a bridge. Come on, chicken. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Give me that back, Carl. Carl.
It's fine. Hello.
All right, all right. Yeah, the toilet. Let's look for the toilet girl's room. I can't believe the other ones are broken. Well, none of those, so you can come with me.
Oh yeah, guys. Feet are starting to ache now. We've just found the little girl's room and we've just gone to pay it a visit. As you can see behind the beach is there. There you go.
Hello, everybody. We've just got down to near the harbour, haven't we?
Yeah, there'll be something coming up on our next video on that. We're going to end this video here now, guys. If you got anything out of it at all, please think about subscribing and giving it a like. And we will see you on the next video. Bye for now.